Hello and welcome to Tinipitika.
Hello everyone, this is Group 5 of Typical, and for those who are new here, welcome, and for those who have watched our previous video, welcome back.
Are you all broke students like us who want to become a YouTuber for fun and occupy their free time?
Well, you have time to do it. Recently, there's something we learned when we started our YouTube channel. We'd like to tell you about something called YouTube Analytics. YouTube what? YouTube Analytics.
What's YouTube Analytics?
YouTube Analytics is a tool that helps us track the performance of our videos. It contains data that we can analyze, such as the interaction from your videos, containing viewers, shares, likes, and comments. This helps us identify what audiences across the internet are searching for. It looks like this.
I'll show you.
First, make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click this profile icon on the upper right corner and click on YouTube Studio. So, this is what you'll first see. It's basically the summary of metrics of your channel. To check our videos YouTube Analytics, we can click this Go to Video Analytics. There, as you can see, there's a lot of data you can gather here, such as your video reach, engagement, and data about your audience.
To interpret the data that's been collected, we created a YouTube analysis report. This will allow us to understand our audience better and check if our previous content did well.